We are on the floor 62 in the hotel. Come to see the view.
Last Sunday, all of our suitcases were packed for a long trip. Goodbye Rennes and hello, Paris? No, it's not this Eiffel Tower you want to see. We want to see the one in Las Vegas. After many long hours on the plane, we reached a city that never sleeps. And it's a good thing too, because we didn't come to sleep. We came for CES. Yes, every year, Las Vegas becomes the capital of technology. But CES without Klaxoon? It doesn't exist. So after long hours of travel, head to the hotel. Okay, we can rest here. But not yet. CES won't prepare itself. There are all the cassettes to prepare, all the t-shirts to fold, pitches to write, you know.
We have new t-shirts this year, really beautiful. There are many teams from Boston, from New York, from Lion City.
Okay, see the jet lag is starting to hit. We better go to bed. Good night, Rennes. Good night, Paris. And get ready, Las Vegas. Klaxoon is coming.